Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about second evidence of the Big Bang Theory, which is cosmic background radiation. So, what is the Big Bang Theory again? Well, it's a theory that states that the universe expanded from a small, hot, and dense point 13.8 billion years ago, and since then has expanded. And they think that the universe was really hot at one point, or when the universe began, but as it expanded, it started to cool down as things started to spread out. And scientists also think that in the beginning of the universe, since it was so hot and dense, it must have given off a glow of visible light, but also infrared light, which is heat. Now, if it was giving off visible and infrared light as heat, then that same light by now must have also expanded with the universe. The wavelength between of the light must have expanded. And remember, if different wavelengths of light become different types of light. So, say the universe was giving off visible and infrared light in the beginning of the universe, that light must have increased in wavelength to become maybe microwave or even radio waves. And that's exactly what scientists found. They actually detected a faint background radiation all over the universe, coming from all directions. And it's not just coming from any known source, it's everywhere. And we're finding microwave radiation all over the universe, everywhere. And that is evidence of one of our evidence of the Big Bang Theory, cosmic background microwave radiation. It's everywhere in the background. And scientists believe that since the beginning of the Big Bang, when it was giving off visible and infrared light, that wavelength of light must have expanded to become microwaves today. We're also detecting a lot of radio waves as well. But if the universe continues to expand, there's a possibility of that those microwave light to become radio wavelengths of light, because the wavelength must continue to expand as the universe also expands. So this is our second evidence: presence of cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB for short, all over the universe. So evidence of cosmic evidence, our second evidence of Big Bang Theory is cosmic background microwave radiation. Let's write this down. And our first evidence is the redshift of light. Also, it said that as the universe expanded, it began to cool. So if I were to draw a graph of this, as the size of the universe expanded, the temperature of the universe started to cool down, go down. So our graph should look something like this. It won't be a straight line. It's kind of an exponential, kind of like this, a little curve. So as the size of the universe increased, the temperature of the universe also decreased exponentially. And that's it.